So we had this truck come in for a no crank, no start concern. The first thing I wanted to know was, do we have power at the starter solenoid? This starter uses the transmission bell housing for a ground. Using my power probe, I test the battery positive wire for 12 volts. Everything looks good there. Next, I test the starter signal wire for a ground. It shows to have a stable ground. Now I'm going to apply power to that signal wire to see if the starter will engage.
To shoot power through it to see if the engine will start. And it looks like it does.
This tool is my power probe circuit tester. I use this tool a lot in diagnosing electrical issues. By pressing the button upward, I can apply voltage to any circuit through the tip of the probe. By pressing the button downward, it applies a ground. Without confusing everyone, in this clip I use my probe to test every pin going to the starter relay with the help of a technician turning the ignition key. We found no signal coming from the ignition switch. After removing the lower half of the steering wheel cover, I found a missing screw going to the ignition switch. Luckily I had an extra screw that I could use for the switch. Now we should be able to start the engine using the key.
And we have power.